Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roll pizza. First, let's get our dough ready. Using pre-made pizza dough saves a lot of time and effort. Simply unroll it onto a lightly floured surface. Then, gently roll it out into a large rectangle. Aim for a thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. This thin base will ensure your roll pizza cooks evenly and has a delightful texture. It's the perfect starting point for our delicious creation. Now for the fun part, adding your delicious toppings. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the rolled-out dough, leaving about a 1-inch border around the edges. Next, generously sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, add your chosen toppings, such as thinly sliced pepperoni, cooked crumbled sausage, or finely diced bell peppers. Be careful not to overfill, as this can make rolling difficult. With your toppings in place, it's time to roll. Starting from one of the long sides, carefully and tightly roll the dough into a log. Once rolled, pinch the seam firmly to seal it, ensuring all those delicious fillings stay inside. Next, using a sharp knife, slice the log into individual pinwheels, each about 1 inch thick. This creates perfect, bite-sized portions that are easy to bake and even easier to enjoy. You're almost there. Finally, let's get these delicious roll pizzas baked. Arrange your sliced pinwheels onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each one. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let them cool for a few minutes, then serve warm with a side of marinara sauce for dipping. Enjoy your easy, homemade roll pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.